We have arrived at Ogmore Beach today, one of our favourite beaches in Wales. I know there are many lovely beaches in Wales, however Ogmore is it's quite not too far away from us and it's lovely. We've got, which way can we show you? A little man in the back there. Ooh, there he is, just woken up from his nap. And this morning we have been to Adam's grandparents. I cannot find a suitable place for the camera. I look a bit weird. I've washed my hair and not done anything to it. I've just like thrown it back in a bob on a little side part and just try and hide my greys that are going on because I need to dye it. So yeah, so I'm going to take off this layer and put on my big ENQUIRIES coat, which if you are somebody that is always out and about, who loves the outdoors, then I would suggest getting a coat like this. Honestly, it's amazing. But I've got it purely for horse riding because it's got zips on the side and at the back and straps that go around your legs, so it's really good for horse riding. However, loads of people in school have commented on it saying, oh my gosh, that looks really warm, so I've mostly worn it obviously for just duty outside, so it's nice and warm. But yeah, I do really recommend it. It's really well made. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to also put a beanie hat on because it's going to be quite cold down here. We're going to get William into his wellies and his all-in-one suit, and this suit that we've got him from Amazon, I got him two. One that's just a thin one, and then this one that we're going to put on him today has got kind of like not a fur lining, but like a thicker, some kind of lining that is going to keep it warm down here anyway, to keep the chill out. But whenever we're down here, we're bound to see one today, but this beach is so lovely because it's really clean, but also, don't know if you can see from where we've parked up, but down there are always lots of doggies running around. And obviously we had 3 dogs. I think I've spoken about this online, but we lost Indy. We lost Indy unexpectedly, and then the girls went. When did the girls go? They went together. It was a really not nice experience in the vets, but not a nice experience. They were 15, both of them. 15? 15. So yeah, so going from 3 dogs to none. We're not ready for a dog anyway at the moment with our lifestyle, but whenever we're down here, we're always having a look around, and we would like possibly a Vizsla, which is like a really lovely dog when you look into it, but they're nice for going on walks, short hair, so you could like shower them down. We might change our mind in the future, but that's the one we've thought of for a little while. So yeah, we're gonna, if I find one down here today, there's normally a couple down here, I will film them for you. But yeah, we'll probably get to meet lots of little doggies. William will have a little paddle in the sea today, so let's go and have a little look and get dressed. Hi. You okay? Still got our boot buddy and everything in the car. Fabulous, this little system, guys. But yeah, I'm going to pop on my hat, my coat, and get William's nice warm things on as well. And these are great. They're fully waterproof, and these are from Amazon as well. They are dewberry dupes. Amazing things. Say hello. And what food have we got? William's got a little cheese sandwich going on. Some bits from the services. And we're just going to admire the view whilst we have our food, aren't we? We've got gloves for William, but he's just taking them off for eating. see! Look at that! It's going back a bit. Yeah. Can't see from there, but he has a very big smile on his face. Your hat's slipping. Those two there are visitors. I did say I would film, but we did have a little chat with the man. We've just found this in the sand, and for our non-Welsh viewers, Bore da means good morning. We are back in the car and windswept in the best kind of way. It was actually great down there because although the wind was cold, what does it say it is today? 11 degrees. We were wrapped up appropriately. And I always absolutely love the beach. I don't know about you, but it just makes me feel nice and calm. And like I don't have to think about anything else whilst I'm there, so it's lovely. But as I was saying, yeah, so a gentleman stopped at the beach to talk to us then, really nice man, and he had two visitors. They were elderly visitors, but he said they were both rescues, didn't have the best like start in life. The one female was from a puppy farm, but he was just saying how good they are with children, how gentle, they're great, love the outdoors, but they'll get into the house and fall asleep. And sort of really loyal. It's starting to rain, I think. Oh, that's good. Good timing if it's just going to start to rain. Fab. Yeah, and then we had another one, a young one, come up to us just now, but we're just going to head on our way home. I'm hijacking your Lucasade if that's okay. That's alright. Sharon's care. So, yeah, let's go home. We are home and opening some Christmas gifts from Adam's side of the family because we were poorly over Christmas so we couldn't see them. And this one is a hospital doctor's kit from the toy van, and William's checking everything by putting it in his mouth first. Should we have a little look what we've got? Should we see? Luna's investigating. What is it?
Blood pressure monitor.
We've got lots of...
Too small for my head.
Too small for your head. Lots of little bits here, aren't we? Should we see? Give you an injection.
I don't know where he's putting them.
Pardon?
I don't know where he's putting them.
I think he's bringing them back. I'm not sure. I'll have a look. Who have you got? Okay. Looney. Check your reflexes. What have we got here? Where's William? Hi. Want to have a go? Put these in your ears. Say, oh, I'm going to listen to your heart. Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Listen to Mama's heart. Ba-bum, ba-bum. He's saying, I love you. He's like, I am not interested right now. This is very cute though. This is a highlight. Oh, Luna's there again. A little cow pearl bottle, honey syrup. That, when you turn, it makes a noise. Little safety noise. That's clever, isn't it? So what have we got for our hospital bag today, William? We've got some scissors, some medicine, little reflex. We've got something to look in your, look in your ears. Can you look in Mama's ears? Am I all okay? Am I clean? Yeah? This one? That one in my eyes? That's my eyes. But I'm going to check Mama's ears. Okay, we're checking my ears with a reflex. That's beautiful. What about this one? We check this one? Check that one? Check my ears. Oh no, that's my eyeball again. It doesn't go in my eyes. It doesn't go in my eyes. It doesn't go in my eyes. It goes in your ears. Like that. We have here Luna's favourite thing. I don't know if you saw, I don't know if I included that, but I put in there and it's not there anymore. In Luna's stocking, we made loads and loads of little crisp triangles. And she loves them. She loves to play fetch with them. Don't you? Good girl. Trying to bring it back. We've taken it to William. And William likes to throw it for her as well and says, go, go. Ready? Luna, ready? Go! Am I playing fetch with William now instead of you? Thank you. Ready? Come and get it, baby. Come and get it. Ready? Go! Go get it. Chef Adam has been hard preparing our food this evening. We have sweet potato fries, courgette. Courgette, yeah?
Yeah.
Some mixed, what are they called again? Oh my gosh, brain. Peppers.
Peppers
and red onion. That's what I fancied today. Gorgeous. And William's in the cupboard.
Harry Potter.
What are you after, young man? You've just had lots of snacks. It's almost food time.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter?